Hey everyone, today I will show you the quickest and simple way to fix the error the web page has been blocked by an extension. First, you need to try to go to here, these three dots here, and choose extensions right there, and click on manage extensions. Now, you're gonna see your extension here. And what you want to do is you need to disable all of this extension. I'm just gonna disable all of this. And then you need to go back to your page that has the problem, and you can just try to refresh it. And if it works, that means your extension is the problem. And then if you want to know which extension is the problem, you can just try to activate one by one and try to refresh again. If it works still, then the extension is not the problem, and you can just go back here again and try to activate the other one, try to refresh again. If it works still, then these two extensions are not the problem. And when you activate the other one and the page doesn't work, that means this extension is the problem. So yeah, I guess that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, you can just leave down in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. And yeah, thanks for watching.